Welcome to our quick guide on Group Policy Objects, or GPOs. These are foundational to managing Windows environments, and today we're breaking down what they are and why they matter. If you manage a network of Windows computers, GPOs are your central control system. They standardize and secure your digital environment. A group policy object is a collection of settings that define how computers and users operate within an Active Directory environment. Think of it as a rulebook for your entire network. GPOs enable centralized management of Windows settings. This means you can apply consistent configurations across thousands of devices and users from one location. The key functions of GPOs include configuring operating system and application settings, enforcing security requirements, and ensuring a uniform environment for all users. GPOs are divided into defining settings for either the user or the computer. This separation allows for highly granular control over who gets what settings, regardless of which machine they log into. One of the most critical uses of GPOs is enforcing security policies, such as setting password complexity requirements, managing firewall rules, and controlling software execution. Understanding how GPOs are applied is essential for troubleshooting and ensuring the correct settings take effect across your domain. GPOs are linked to specific Active Directory containers, sites, domains, or organizational units. This dictates which users and computers receive the policy settings. GPOs are processed in a specific order: local, site, domain, and finally organizational unit, often remembered as LSDOU. Policies applied later override policies applied earlier. Every GPO is composed of two main sections that control different aspects of the environment. The two main components are computer configuration, which applies to machines upon startup, and user configuration, which applies to users upon logon, regardless of the machine they are on. Common policies include software installation and updates, desktop customizations, script execution, and, of course, critical security settings. To work with GPOs, you'll rely on specific administrative tools built into Windows Server. The Group Policy Management Console, or GPMC, is the primary tool for managing, linking, and analyzing GPOs across your Active Directory. Once a GPO is created, the Group Policy Editor is used to dive into the settings and configure the specific policies within the user and computer sections. GPOs are powerful tools for managing your Windows network, offering structure and security at an enterprise scale. The benefits are clear: enhanced security, consistent user and computer settings, and scalable management that grows with your organization. To master GPOs, continue to explore the GPMC and Group Policy Editor in a test environment. Start small and practice applying policies to organizational units.